Hey guys, here is a Casablanca Panama 5 ceiling fan in polished brass. This fan is dated May 21st, 1993, and it was the 543rd fan made that day. I'll tell you the funny story about how I got this fan, and it was pretty spontaneous. So I drove about an hour to go pick up another Casablanca fan that was much desirable. So on the way back, I do DoorDash sometimes, and if you don't know what DoorDash is, it's a food delivery service. So I said, you know what, I might as well hop on and have a couple of free time hours, so why not? So I'm in my area, and I'm relatively close to home actually, and an order pops up for $7, and it was, I think, 7 miles. And normally I don't accept orders that are under $10, but you know what, I say, you know what, why not? Let's go deliver this order. So pick up the food, go to the house. It's a very nice house, and I pull in the driveway. It's a long driveway, and I pull in. I get out of the car, and I see this and another Casablanca Panama in a giant scrap pile. This thing had these goofy giant blades on it, which I don't even think are Casablanca. So they came with it. The other Casablanca did not have the blades. It was another Panama, but in white. They both had, I think, 4-foot down rods on them. So I'm looking and I'm like, okay, I only have about $10 on me. So I'm going to knock on the door, I'm going to ask the lady if I can have them, and I'll pay her. So I knock on the door, and normally you're supposed to leave the food there, but I stayed at the door until she opened it. And I said, hey, I collect fans. You getting rid of those ones? I'll pay you for them. And she said, you know what, honestly, you can just have them. So I was really happy about that. There was also another fan. It was a SMC Hampton Bay Minuet 2. That was also in the pile, which I did grab the motor because that's all that was there. But anyway, of course it didn't have a control, but no control or canopy. But you know, fair enough. I got what I got. But I was happy about it. So here is the light. Dim that a little bit. The board is kind of finicky on this one, so I'm not really that sure what the problem is with it. I didn't test the other one yet, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be the same way. And these also aren't the original blades, obviously. But here is the first speed. And of course it doesn't want to work. Oh boy. Alright, hang on. I can see this video turning into a madhouse. So I gotta reverse it. This is how I tried it before. I reverse it. Gotta reverse it again back to that. And then it'll work. Very weird. I don't know what's wrong with it, but it does still function somewhat. Of course, that damn light's always going to bother me, I swear. I don't know if that's any better. Yeah, a little bit. Here's speed 2. See if we can dim these lights a little bit. Maybe that'll look decent. I didn't really feel like putting glass on it because there was no screws in that light kit. So the blades you see on it are from an architectural white Panama. Speed 3. Also, the bearings were all gummed up on this one, so it's going to make some noise from me having to oil it and all that crap. Same way with the other one too. focusing. Next speed. Maybe if I open the door, that'll adjust some of the lighting. You know what, that's actually much better. Here's the next speed. Not sure if you guys are keeping count because I sure as hell am. Flywheel's also warped, but there's speed 6. Just gonna wiggle around a little bit up there, but I'm just gonna pull my crap into the pull chain and it falls down. So wrap that up a little bit. It's doing some good air. There's the down rod it came with. Pretty sure this is a 4-foot. But anyway, that's about it. Thank you for watching.